Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad and I'm the co-founder of Qiscus. We started off enabling conversations between doctors and patients, hence solving great problems such as hospital congestions and so on. From then on, we believe great achievements start with great conversations, and we have brought the power of conversations to 13 industries, 16 use cases, and touched the lives of 27 million users. On the right, you can see some of our clients. All of them have one thing in common. They believe customers today puts value on the ease of getting what they want by simply conversing. Founded since 2013, we have grown to be an expert in real-time communication. On the right are the co-founders of Qiscus, having extensive experience in consultancy, policymaking, ops, and tech. We are a 60-man strong team based in Indonesia. Our advisors have been helping us greatly in expanding to the Southeast Asia region. There's great opportunity that we're trying to leverage on, especially when businesses post-COVID, they start to rethink how they engage customers online. And we help businesses do so with three main solutions. The first two there enables businesses to build in a chat and a video or voice interactions in their own apps. Now, if businesses want customers to engage them without downloading new apps, they can do so via Facebook, Line, WhatsApp, and all the interactions can be centralized into a single dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks like. On the left here, you can see the unified inbox. At the center is where the conversation happens. And on the right panel is where the integration to other systems happens. So allow me to just go through the integration component. So we are able to integrate with the different channels. We are official partners of all these channels. And we also allow businesses to bring their own bot. If they say they have their own chatbot, they can simply integrate to our platform. And that same chatbot can already interact with customers from whatever channels that they come from. Now, if the businesses do not have their own chatbot, well, we can build for them. And that chatbot can interact with customers from the various channels. Here we can see some productivity tools that we have built in for our clients. So for human agents, they can use the chat templates, tagging, predefined messages. This can be a product catalog, can be inventory, connect to an inventory system that you can call out the product details and so on. And this will help to increase the productivity of the human agents. Now, to route messages to the right agent, this is where the agent management or the custom agent allocation can be used, and some other features over here. Now, we also provide analytics for the customers to understand how the company as a whole has been performing or how individual agents have been performing. Now, the one that I've shown here is basically a mock-up based on a commerce use case. If let's say it is based on education or even commerce where there's a need for product demo or telehealth, that is where our clients have been using this platform where the interactions can happen similarly, but there will be a video call button. Clicking this link will call out this call link, and customers are able to click on this button from whatever channels they come from, be it WhatsApp, Facebook, or Line, and so on. Click on it, and it will open up a video conferencing tool such as what you see here. And then the demo or the consultation can happen via video conferencing. And once that is done, return back to the chat and continue chatting and close the conversation. So this is an overview of how our product works, but there are several implementations that we have done just based on this platform. Now, this is a ready-to-use product, but it is also a product that can cater to multiple use cases. As I mentioned earlier on, 16 use cases in 13 different sectors. But what I would like to show here is basically how we are creating a new normal, right, in certain industries. So especially two main industries that I've shown here, healthcare and retail. So for healthcare, there is a problem where hospital needs to have a new way of servicing patients, right, without them having to congregate in congested hospitals. So we have been empowering health institutions with teleconsultation solution, which is using the same platform or using our Chat SDK and Meet SDK. So these are some of the clients that we have been powering up. With regards to retail, similarly, they are now offline businesses are very much affected. So they are now moving the interaction with customers online. So they do so via chat, video, voice interactions, and so on. And that's where we call the conversational commerce new normal. So these are some of the clients that we have helped. So these are some of the implementations that we have done. Of course, businesses do their offline and online campaigns, right? Bringing customers to whatever channels they want. The customers enter, a chatbot will qualify or gather the initial data, hand over to a human agent who will then use the multi-channel dashboard to interact with the customers. So this is the most common use cases that we encounter. Similarly, in the commerce sector, this is how it has been implemented. Basically, sellers or the agents will be using the dashboard and customers will be using WhatsApp or whatever channels they prefer. And we can also help businesses in the retail sector reduce cart abandonment. And how do we do so? When customers do not check out from their shopping cart, we can send a trigger to their WhatsApp number, which will then trigger a conversation with the agents who will help to close the sale. Now, these are some of the implementations in the retail sector using the multi-channel dashboard. But there are other use cases that we can power up with our technology. For example, in the banking sector, we promote collaboration and process enhancement with a secure enterprise messenger. Now, we built this messenger for JTrust Bank. We integrate with their backend systems. We white label for them, and with this messenger-based processes, I mean chat-based processes, they are able to reduce calls, they are able to save man hours and mitigate the loss of revenue because of miscommunication and better collaboration. They can better their collaboration. Now, with our Chat SDK, we have been powering up the largest telehealth player in Indonesia, Taludog. So this, with our Chat SDK, they can actually accelerate their TTM by 52%. So these are some of the use cases that we have powered up. But all these use cases, implementation, all the things that we do is based on this belief that customers today put value on the ease of getting what they want by simply conversing. Now, if you have the same belief, we definitely hope to work together with you. Thank you so much.